Hi there, this video is on finding the degree of a monomial. A monomial is an expression that is a number, a variable, or a product of a number and one or more variables. Let's look at some examples. Any number is a monomial. Things like -4, 1/2, or 17. Monomials can also be just variables, a, y, or x. We could also take numbers and variables and put them together. So, for instance, -5k, 2/3 r to the 8th, or 7x squared times y cubed. Now that we've looked at monomials and we have an understanding of what they are, let's look at one of their properties. One of their properties is the degree. The degree of a monomial is the sum of the exponents of its variables. And there are two tips here. For a number not 0, the degree is 0. And 0 does not have a degree. What does a degree of a monomial look like? In this example, 2/3 x to the 8th, the degree would just be his exponent, 8. So his degree would be 8. The next example, 7x squared y cubed, this is where the sum comes into play. Right? The degree of a monomial is the sum of the exponents. So we're going to take his exponents and just add them. I have a 2 and a 3, add those together, his degree would be 5. Monomials can also be numbers, -4. If we remember back to our exponents, we could write -4 as -4 x to the 0, because this x to the 0 reduces down to 1, which doesn't change the value. If we look at it this way, his degree, his exponent, is 0. This is why all numbers not 0 have a degree of 0. We could have a monomial 6c. Again, this requires us to remember our exponent rules. I don't see an exponent, so it's like there's a visible 1. His degree would be 1. And then 3x y cubed is our last example. Again, I have two variables, x and y, so I want to add their exponents. Remembering my exponent rules, that this x has a 1, it's 1 plus 3. 3xy cubed, his degree would be 4. So when you're finding the degree of a monomial, just remember, add the exponents. That's it.